Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install the eBay app on your phone. First, go to the App Store if you have iOS devices or Google Play Store on your phone. Simply tap on it. And on the search bar which is on the top, you have to type eBay and search for it. And here we could see there's a app that says eBay online shopping deals. And on the right hand side, we could see the install button. Select that option and wait for the app to download and install, and this may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. And once the installation is complete, you can open the app by tapping on the open button by finding it in your list of apps, and follow the on-screen instructions to sign in with your eBay account or create a new one. And that's how you're ready to start shopping on eBay using your phone, and you can enjoy browsing through millions of products and bidding on your favorite items. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for upcoming uploads.